this is Trudy with Howard Tax Prep LLC, and I wanted to let you know tax refunds will be lower in 2023. So don't fall for the, oh, I'll pay you when I get my tax refund, because this year tax refunds are definitely going to be reduced. So some of the tax credits will be returning to 2019 levels, which are pre-pandemic levels. So what this means is that affected taxpayers will probably receive a significantly smaller refund compared to 2020 and 2021. So some of the changes that will occur will be there's going to be a reduced child tax credit. So previously, people were getting $3,600 per dependent in 2021 for the child tax credit. Now this year, that will be $2,000, which is what it used to be in 2019. For the earned income tax credits, even people who didn't have children during the pandemic years, 2020 and 2021, they were able to receive about $1,500 as their maximum earned income credit. And now the maximum for those people will only be $500. The Child Independent Care Credit, that's going to return to a maximum of $2,100 versus the $8,000 people were able to claim in 2021. There will be no more above the line charitable deductions. So during COVID, taxpayers could take up to $600 in charitable donation deductions on their tax returns. But in 2022, if you take the standard deduction and you don't itemize, you will not be able to take that above the line charitable donation deduction. There are going to be no more stimulus credit claims. So a lot of these tax returns were large because people who had not received their stimulus tax credit. So that was an extra $1,400 per person. And gosh, if they had children, they were getting even more. So no longer will that stimulus credit be claimed on a tax return. So that's going to further reduce the refunds. And for those that are self-employed, there are no more COVID-19 tax credits. Those were the tax credits where if you couldn't work due to COVID or because you had to take care of your children due to COVID or a spouse, then the amount that you paid into Medicare and Social Security, which are your self-employment taxes, those amounts you received a credit for the days that you were unable to work. Well, now that's going to be gone. So you're going to have a higher, and this is self-employed people, you will have your income tax plus you'll have a higher self-employment taxes. If you have children, you're going to get a reduction in a child tax credit and the earned income tax credit. So do not go around, promising your tax refund to people and getting into debt. Expecting to get a large tax refund, because this year tax refunds will definitely be reduced. If you want to ensure that you're getting the proper refund amount, you can reach out to us at 855-743-5765, or you can visit us online at www.howardtaxprep.com. Thank you.